I do a quick little video on how I mix the Plastidip before I go ahead and spray paint my car. Plastidip itself, they advertise, comes in a 14-ounce can. However, when I poured it out, it came out to about 12 ounces. So what I have to do before I put it into my spray gun is I have to thin it. And so I'm using XYLENE, which is a paint thinner. And what you'll do is you'll do 50-50. So if I got 12 ounces out of my Plastidip, so I'm gonna do 12 ounces here. My car, I didn't rub off the wax or any polish, which a lot of people would normally do, but in my case, who knows, in a year or two I might want to just peel all of this off. So I've left it as it. This is the best bucket I have. Don't make fun of me, I'm not really taking this too seriously. You know, this is a bit of an experiment for me, so I'm just kind of having fun with it. And then what we'll do is I will pour it in here, and we'll put it in my spray gun, and we'll go ahead at it and see what happens. Okay, so I just wanted to touch base. This whole project, I really underestimated how much work it would require, and it's taken me all day, and I have to go out and get more paint. So I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to give you a sneak preview on how good she looks so far. So it's been about 3 weeks since I painted my car. The weather's been kind of crazy from wind and rain. I've been off-roading, so I felt, you know, I should show you guys the final results now. And surprisingly, everything still looks super clean, like super sharp. And I couldn't be happier with the way everything turned out. It came out to a really nice matte black finish, and I've had people already asking me if my car has been wrapped, so I'm like, no, it's Plastidip. But I hope you like it, honestly, as much as I do.